how to find your Roblox user ID. So first, what you want to do is just simply go to your profile here on the left side. So just make sure you go to the Roblox website first, then click on your profile here on the left navigation bar. Once you've clicked on it, you just simply need to go to the URL at the very top right here, and you can just double click it to expand it. And as you can see, it says here roblox.com/users/ a bunch of numbers, then profile, and your user ID is this group of numbers right here. So mine is this one, the 349554730. So I'll just simply copy that, and now I could paste it to my notes or something so that I could save it and use it for future purposes. So as you can see, I'm just going to add another one right here. I'm just going to name it profile ID, just like so. Now I can exit out of this and my profile ID will be saved. And that's how you basically find your Roblox user ID.